Dressings and sauces and dips are some of my favorite things to come up with in the kitchen. Did you know the condiment section at the grocery store is one of the most unhealthy sections? It's full of preservatives and hidden sugars and refined oils. So I want to teach you that making some of your own condiments can not only be delicious, but it can be a healthier option also. Today we're going to make a miso dressing. It can also be a marinade, it can be a sauce. It's delicious and it takes 5 minutes to make. The first ingredient we're going to put in here is tahini. Tahini is made from sesame seeds. So peanut butter is made from peanuts, tahini is sesame seeds. You have to mix it before you use it because the oils from the sesame seeds will float to the top when the container is sitting still. Any good sourced nut butter is going to be that way. Nuts and seeds are oily. They are going to be oily in the container, which is a good thing. Those are good, healthy fats that those seeds and nuts contain. And once again, I made a mess. Now we're going to add a little bit of miso paste, about a teaspoon. Next up, we're going to add some honey, a tablespoon or so. Honey is anti-inflammatory, really good to put in tea and coffee. We're going to add some rice vinegar for the acidity. Next up, we're going to add a little tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. And we're going to add some sesame oil. A little bit of water. I'm just going to add a tiny bit and then add more as I need it. I'm going to give this a good whisk. Start off slow or you'll slosh it around. I'm very good at making a mess. Now this one's a little thick. If you want to keep it thick, that would be a really good marinade or a dip. If you want it to be a dressing, you want to thin it out a little bit. I usually make one sauce a week, and sometimes it'll be a dressing, sometimes it'll be a marinade. But then that way during my meal prep, I get a different flavor every week, and I don't get bored. Wow, that's really good. I'm gonna put this on a salad later, so I'm gonna make it pretty thin. And there you have it, a beautiful 5-minute miso dressing. Delicious, has good healthy fats in it, has protein. For loads of more recipes and healthy cooking inspiration, go to my website, shellycanhelp.com. And if you'd like some wonderful gluten and dairy-free recipes, go buy my cookbook. It's on Amazon and barnesandnoble.com, and the book is called What's on Your Fork. I want to inspire you in your kitchen and show you that cooking healthy doesn't have to be hard, time-consuming, or expensive. I gotta run, but before I do, I have one question for you. What is on your fork? Bye now.